Hello YouTube, especially all you gold and silver fans, all you fans of honest money as it were. I haven't spoken to you for a couple of weeks, but I've been watching the markets today and I'd noticed it before, but I wasn't particularly that sure, but I'm pretty sure now. This is goldsilver.com, this is Mike Maloney's site, and on Mike Maloney's site he shows the 24-hour gold chart and the 24-hour silver chart directly below one another. Now, as you can see at the moment, gold is currently $1,534.13 and silver is currently $37.81. Gold's up $8.27 and silver is currently down 6 cents. Now, looking at these charts as I do on a daily basis, I've noticed over a good period of years now that these charts are almost identical day after day after day. Each move is closely mirrored on each chart by its opposite number. Gold and silver, their charts are almost identical all the time, day after day after day. And it's clear to see from that even though they're individually traded commodities, whoever is rigging this market is definitely doing it in such a way, whether it's with computers and such like, but they're mirroring the markets almost identical, and I do mean day after day after day. And I've seen, I can't remember who did it actually, but it may have been Ted Butler. He actually did an article about how the odds were so massive for silver and gold to trade as precisely as they do one another. For them to trade so precisely, the odds of them doing it day after day after day are so astronomical. It's ridiculous. So it's by no means is it a coincidence. It's definitely something that's made so, let's say. Well, today is different. If you look at the two charts, you can quite clearly see there that the gold one at the top and the silver one, they're not identical. They're completely different to one another, and that can be clearly seen in the fact that gold is now up $8.27 and silver is down. Normally, as I say, with them mirroring one another, you would get a similar percentage rise in both gold and silver. So what's different? Why is today different? I'll tell you what's different. Just flipping over to the dollar index. If we go to the dollar index, the dollar is tanking today. The dollar's going down the toilet. Now we're back below 75 again on the dollar index, and this seems to be the key thing that creates the dollar tanking is the key thing that creates the disconnect between the two graphs covering gold and silver. Whenever the dollar drops, the disconnect appears because it seems the powers that be have to make a greater effort to manipulate silver. Silver seems to be definitely the one that they're scared of, that the powers that be are scared of. You know, it's the people's metal, as it were. It's not the metal of the rich. It's the people's metal. It's the metal that your everyday man in the street is able to purchase and put away for a rainy day. So we would normally expect on a day when the dollar is doing as badly as it is, that silver would be outshining gold, but that isn't the case. So just bear in mind, folks, those that are doing a job on silver and gold, but more so silver, they're scared of silver, and their system's not going to last forever. So keep on buying what bits you can whenever you're able to, and I'm sure in the end these jokers who are manipulating our world and robbing us all blind, You know, eventually our day will come, and at that point we'll be prepared and we'll be able to change things for the better. Okay, thanks for your time. Any comments, let me hear what you have to say. Speak to you later. Bye bye.